you get on the brakes, the weight comes up, so you can really just get it into these corners, foot down on the pavement, and then rock it forwards. Hello and welcome to another Kyle Connor YouTube channel video. What do you guys think? Overland Twizy?
Yeah, that's what we're putting on right now, right?
Yeah, well, we are putting on snow tires, but not these snow tires. But we just thought, really, Colton, you did this. This looks hilarious. Yeah, it looks ridiculous. Compared to the actual snow tires that we're putting on. Yeah, look at that. Chunky. So that's the dream. Twizy monster truck. These are actually the Nokian tires that are going on your ID4. Yep. And yep, so we're swapping on snow tires on everything because in just a few days we'll have a whole snow race course to ourselves for a whole day. And you know, we got to take the Twizy out. Now, when I bought the Twizy, it came with these snow tires. It actually came with two different kinds. Continental Winter Contact TS 800s for the fronts, and then Semperit Master Grip for the rear. Both are triple peak snow rated, but my guess is the sizing, they wanted to keep it factory. Yeah, they couldn't do that. Now, I think we got to go full monster truck mode. Maybe if we get another, maybe we need like 4 Twizys, all with a different interpretation. Yep. The F1, the monster truck, the stock one. Yeah, could be kind of interesting. This one, yeah, the monster truck one. It looks so cool. But yeah, basically we're just going to manually put on the snow tires. We'll take it out in the snow. We've had it in the snow a bunch and see how improved it is. Now, of course, we can charge it and have some fun with it. We can really drive it around.
How you doing?
Good. Just throwing on the snows. Super easy. Taking a little Dremel action here as per Colton's guidance on the hub, just to get some of the rust off so everything sits nice. One thing we were looking for were the date codes on these tires. I gotta find them because the Twizy's 10 years old. 2012, it's 2022. It's really too long to run.
It's actually
tires.
2023.
Yeah, that's right, it's 2023. And so, yeah, trying to find the date code. Usually they're on the inside of the tire. And, yeah, I don't know. You gotta look around. But basically, just getting these on, we'll look, and then probably what I'll do is, I think the summers, we're gonna retire. These will be gone, and we're gonna order probably a nice wide race set of summer wheels and tires. Something chunky.
Something chunky.
Something chunky. And then, yeah, then for winters, not that important that it has winter tires.
No.
But it is kind of cool that it came with winter tires, so we're throwing them on.
So Kyle needed my help torquing things down and putting on the caps as well. So I did all of that. It's in perfect condition here. You can see how I've lined up everything perfectly on the first try. And Kyle is just setting the tire pressure now. What you setting them to?
So doing 30, can't remember in the front what I did. But 32 or 33 up front. I think 33 up front and 30 in the rear. It's a little bit over factory, but the temperatures will drop slightly as it goes outside. So hopefully that'll be where it needs to be.
All right.
Can't even have half a PSI off here. It'll affect the handling way too much. Yep.
That's some serious stuff.
It is a race car.
Yeah.
We are now going for a test drive in the Twizy.
Watch your legs. Keep your feet inside the vehicle at all times.
Thank you. And doing.
Same for this one. Watch your foot.
Okay. We're in. We got charging all ready to go. I think we only charged it to 60%. Yep. And then with your foot on the brake, that's how you release the parking brake. Yep.
Okay.
Nice. All right, let's take it out in the snow and see how these snow tires do.
Oh,
off we go then. Yep. Man, look at the traction. Rivian's looking good.
Where do we go for snow?
If you just go outside the complex and turn left, there's that snowy road. Just do a little handling, make sure it all feels good, try the brakes. Yeah. Nice. The snow tires. Okay, yeah, brakes work pretty well.
Just how to do it the way you would do it.
Right.
Unannounced.
Unannounced and stomp on things. Yeah, so if you go left here, you'll see the snow. So let's do first a brake test in the snow.
Good speed?
Yeah, go for it. And then full brakes. Better than before.
Better?
Yeah, full throttle.
Full beans.
Oh, yeah. And it doesn't have ABS, so you're going to have to brake early first. We're going into the fresh powder.
Gotta fully test it.
Oh my gosh, it really is bumpy, isn't it?
This is out of spec.
Yeah, this is legit snow that we're in here. Wow, you got this thing piled. Nice. So let off when you feel the tires spin like that. No traction control here. But yeah, much grippier than before. So like just roll into the throttle a little bit. More. Yeah, all traction. And then gently hit the brakes like coming to a stop, but don't lock it up. So more brakes, more brakes, more brakes. More brakes. There you go. You want to find the maximum grip level. Yeah.
So you want me to do that again?
No, it's okay. We know it's better.
Yeah.
So there we go. She's ready for the snow track.
How are you gonna trailer this? Are you gonna put it on the big trailer?
I don't know how I'm going to get it there yet.
That's a really big trailer.
Yeah. All right. Well, snow tires are on.
We're gonna launch it here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Holy smokes. Look at that race car.
Way more traction.
I know.
Right, brakes.
Look at that.
Holy shit.
That's good. Not even spinning.
No. Holy crap. Reverse.
Full drift.
Love it.
All the power.
Look at that.
I know. It's like it's on pavement.
Just want to make a note that I just washed this myself and it's already this dirty. And here they come back. Oh my goodness.
How fast did we look?
Oh, like lightning speed. I
we
was
spun
just,
the earth backwards there.
that is just no words for that
You ever
kind of
seen a
speed.
car go this fast?
No.
Quadricycle.
Who?
You know, I think this thing has seatbelts too. I've never tried it.
It does.
Yeah.
It's got a shoulder belt.
Oh, I got 2 seatbelts.
Just go under that.
Oh, no way. Good handling balance. Into the snow. I feel like we're down on power. Maybe the battery's just cold.
Or you got a big guy in the back.
Well, definitely remember it having slightly more. All right, let's just send it full power. Oh, easy to do skids now. You can just keep it planted.
So much more traction.
Look at that. Easy peasy. Oh, good thing we got skid plates. Oh my gosh, it's like full rally spec now. Look at that. We can come in here, just get it perfectly set for a 360. If only it gave me power when I went full speed there. We could have just chucked it around. Just little wiggles. And if you get on the brakes, the weight comes up. So you can really just get it into these corners, foot down on the pavement, and then rock it forwards. It's like a rally car. It's incredible. the dynamics are really good. As soon as you get off the throttle, it's like a 911. You can just kind of lift up and rotate the car. It happens all at 5 miles an hour instead of 105 miles an hour. But what a machine! It just needs, I think, a square setup on the tires. Full brakes on the snow. Pretty good. Full power. Full ice. Can we squeeze? Yeah? Yeah. Yep. Squeezing.
The go anywhere machine.
How about the rear, Alyssa? You're good. Nice. Neutral. Parking brake.
Doors up.
Yeah, then you can do you gotta get used to the double flip at the same time. But then the gas struts are gone, so we need to find a better way to grip them. So they just shoot up. All right, and there's your daily dose of Twizy content. Thank you for your shop again and your free storage.
Juice.
And juice, that's right. You put in the 3 cents of electricity this thing needs. Thank you.
Yeah.
And you're just holding on to the Plaid. The Plaid's going in for a full paint correction again.
Which another car might need to do that as well.
That'll be another video.
Another video.
Coming soon.
Colton's going to be busy.